Welcome back for another tale of when I owned that little cafe on the road to nowhere, and I was Dave, chef to the stars. One day, Lucy Lawless came into my little establishment and asked for the best chicken salad sandwich ever, and I said, okay. First thing I did was I got about a half a cup of slivered almonds, and I started toasting them for a few minutes over a low heat. And then to a bowl that has 2 cups of shredded chicken, I added the toasted almonds. And then we want to add about a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then take a rib of celery that you've chopped and diced up. And then you want 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then, of course, salt and pepper. And then you just want to grab a spoon and mix everything around till everything is coated. I was still kind of chopping the chicken as I did this. And if it's a little too dry for your liking, feel free to add a little bit more mayo to it. All right, let's make a sandwich. All right, as you can see here, I've got some nicely toasted bread that I've already added some mayonnaise to. Now we're going to add our chicken salad mix. And then just some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And pop the top on. And that's it. That was the chicken salad sandwich I made Lucy Lawless. Why she insisted my waitress serve it to her naked while wearing a collar and leash, I haven't the foggiest. But then again, Amber didn't seem to mind.